Hi there, super excited to share our website. So this website is about how to measure our stress. So it is always happening in the background that we typically use EDA, which is known as electrodemo activity, and heart rate to measure our stress level. But it is really true. So we're motivated to investigate this using our own data set from the FideoNet. So let's dive into the data. And in the data, we can tell for each student, we have our own biosignals all over here side by side. So you can actually choose different students and you see the different biosignals during the test time, which have the pre-test and after the post-test and the in-test. We also plot some of the data points so that we can show the biosignals and the timestamp at each of the data points. So that is actually one of the hardest features to implement because to plot all these data points would be so much taking off the time and also would make the website so laggy. That's why we only plot like 1/20th of them to make it really smooth. And also we can then move apart to the performance chart, which you can test the biosignals against the grades that is received by each student. But as we can tell, it is not a really clear pattern of it because sometimes it's just all over there. So, what are our takeaways? First of all, for the heart rate, it is always fluctuating, but with some of them, there's always a middle one, which you can tell that is a peak. But then for the EDA, there's not a really clear pattern because maybe for some further research reasons, and the warning is they might not have overlapping patterns, and we need some further research to validate their validity.